Hi, I'm Mary Director, and I'm a Fun Stampers Journey Coach. I'm just going to take a few minutes today and show you some of the Valentine's ideas that I'm going to be posting on my blog, and I hope you'll take a few minutes to watch. I seem to be getting a glare in my glasses. I can't take them off. I won't be able to see things properly, so I apologize. I'm not sure what my glasses are picking up because there's not a TV in the room. It's just my small craft room. I absolutely love it though. Anyway, I am a Fun Stampers Journey Coach, and I have a blog. It's KreatesKardsJourney.blogspot.com. I also have a business website, which is funstampersjourney.com/MaryDirector. I'm also on Facebook, facebook.com/KreatesKardsJourney. And I will put all that information in the comment section below that tells you a little bit about the video today, so that you'll have it and you'll be able to do a direct link. The first card I'm going to show you is a Valentine's card that I made. I've used embossing on it, I've used silk, I've used paper die cutting along with paper piercing. We have a die that does that. Paper punching, embellishment, and then I used some gold embellishment that's from our Journey Holiday catalog. So the gold part that you're seeing here, the metal and the leaves, are a retired product. They're not available, but all the rest of the products are. Another fun item that I made is I made a little candy bar cover and hand colored the little bunny with the Valentines, used our dies to cut out the hearts, stamped out Be Mine, and then I just created my own banner using a little rectangle and cutting out the points here. This one I'm going to go back in and reconfigure. The way I've done it, the only way you can get, there's actually a Hershey candy bar in here, and the only way you can get it out is to destroy the whole thing, because I glued, when I started this, I glued the cardstock directly to the candy bar cover, and then wrapped it around, and then I've glued the ribbon on also. And it looks really cute. It's really well made. But it's one of those faux pas that you don't realize until after you're done that maybe it wasn't the best idea. So I am going to go back in and redesign this so that the ribbon is actually a slider that will come off and the candy bar will just slide in. I think it's just some minor modifications. So that'll be in my blog later this week. And then one that I really had fun with is a slider card. And as you can see, it's for Valentine's Day. If you look inside, there's a candy bar in there. Candy bar is held in place by the ribbon. And when you pull it up, there's a full-size Hershey candy bar in there. And you can just go back in. This also works perfectly if you have any of the Swiss Miss cocoa mixes or any of those that are in their own little individual pouches, and it'll fit perfect in here too. I'm hoping to do a video on this too, so that you'll have a step-by-step tutorial on how to create it. It's called a slider card. It does hold a standard size Hershey candy bar, and I will have a video on that later this week. So anyway, I just wanted to come by, show you my 3 projects that I have so far, and the 2 candy bar ones I will have a video for you later on this week. I also wanted to remind you that right now we have mystery boxes with Fun Stampers Journey. It's a phenomenal, phenomenal way to get product. For $25, you get $100 worth of retired product. And the order number is MB-002. You can order from my website, which is funstampersjourney.com/MaryDirector. And also, for every $100 you buy, you'll automatically get a free mystery box that's worth $50. And that's at no charge to you, and that's $100 if you purchase $100 worth of product before tax and shipping. Now, one of the really neat things about the boxes that you buy, the $25 box with the $100 in value, that one, 5 of those boxes during the month actually have a golden unicorn in it. And you want to look for that golden unicorn, because if you have the golden unicorn in your mystery box, that means that not only do you get your $100 worth of product for your $25, you're going to get a beautiful Journey Girl tote that's a black and white striped tote that's filled with $175 worth of current product. Phenomenal, phenomenal deal. So anyway, hope you enjoy the weekend, and I look forward to sharing more videos with you later this week. Thanks a lot for stopping by.